Unboxing.
Tuppercore Wheels.
LFTOVRS officially started in 2024. After many years of development, and although they are called leftover, they use brand new mold for all their products, including these Tuppercore Wheels. Wow! Thank you, man. Taking inspiration from older design like Conju wheels. Most wheels like this end up 58mm because they are cut down from old 60mm molds. So the brand make a brand new mold. Hi, I am Dennis. Big thanks to LFTOVRS for the chance to unbox and demo their product. I am 43 now, still motivated, and good wheels are key to keeping momentum. I'm switching my setup from Mesmer wheels to LFTOVRS wheels, and I can't wait to demo you guys. As you can see in the demo, on both the road and the skate park, the grip absorption, speed and balance feel good. The speed make me want to fly. I felt great riding with these LFTOVRS wheels. The shape and design make perfect for the flat setup. The color is eye-catching, good for both photography and videography. To be honest, I have never gotten this kind of speed before. It's just like the feeling of first love, charging back the energy for the old dudes like me. Okay. Okay. I got my friend here, Abu. Abu macam mana baca, Abu?
Leftover.
Masalah dia kata kita selalu baca T dekat belakang.
Jadi leftover.
LFTOVRS.
Leftover.
Yes, correct, bro. Yes, bro. See you in next video.